today I'm going to show you an easy background. I've taken this board, it was white. I put a wash of Payne's grey and blue underneath, waited until it's dry. Then I took a sponge that I just slightly wet and take off all the water, and I take a little bit of white on this side of the sponge, and then I'm just going to slightly, I've already gone over, I just want to quickly show you. Then I just go slightly over all the places that I want, but I leave some of the places to that you can still see the blue underneath. I'm gonna do 3 feathers on this board, so as soon as this is dry, I'll come back and I'll show you the next step. It's dry now, so what I'm going to do, I'm still going to take my sponge. You can even use one of these hardware brushes. I'm going to dip it in a little bit of burnt sienna, and I want to put the wash on top of this because I don't want to cover up all of these spaces here. So I'm just going to slightly wet there where I want to work. I'm going to do 3 feathers like that, somewhere about around there, or maybe I'll just change it up a little bit to make some space because I want to put my shadow side on this side. I'm going to wash a little bit of burnt sienna here and there. I'm going to take a little bit of burnt umber and just put it where I think I will need to have a lot of cast shadows from the feathers. I'm just going crisscross. I'm going to go over with white again here. I want my 3 feathers next to one another, so I'm just gonna put in some shadow parts where I want to have a cast shadow. I'll fix some of them later on. I want to put a little bit of green in there as well. I've got green gold here, pale olive, sorry. I'm not sure if it's the right choice, but let's try and see. Okay, just going to slightly wet there. Okay, while it's wet, I'm going to drip in a little bit of, no, I want a deeper shadow there, sorry. I just want to put a deeper shadow there. Otherwise it's not going to show nicely. I'm taking a little bit of burnt umber with a little bit of Payne's grey. While it's wet, I'm going to drip in a little bit of alcohol. It's rubbing alcohol, 91%. I'm going to leave this to dry. It's almost dry. I'm going to pick up a little bit of my blue with my burnt sienna, burnt umber, sorry. And I'm just going to go slightly with it with the blue and the stuff. I just want to bring in a little bit of blue here. I'm going to pick up a little bit of white with those. I'm going to pick up a little bit more white, so I'm going to cover a little bit more of this board with white. I don't want it so dark. I'm going to take a little bit of yellow ochre with this color. You can go as thick as you like. I'm going to pick up a little bit of burnt sienna with my sponge. There you go. I decided to put in a smaller feather here. Just want to put a little bit of water with a paint spray so I can slide easier over my canvas. A little bigger one here, and then a big one coming down here. I'm gonna basically do this side black. I've got an old feather of an owl, so I'll show you later, that I found lying in the felt. I love owls. It's one of my favorites. I just want to block them quickly where I'm going to put the black and the white. Oh, it's beautiful. It's such a shame. I'm gonna slightly, you see this has got a small edge here and a wider one there, so I'm going to try and do it like that. I'm gonna put in a little bit of brown here. The burnt sienna here as well. Just put in a little bit of my Payne's grey with the burnt sienna. I think I'm going to do the white feathers here underneath with a little bit of white there on the top, and then this one is just going to get white in between the black. As I said, it's this feather that I'm using. As it is an old feather, it's got these broken pieces in between. I'm going to try and replicate that. I'm still going with my white and my little bit of Payne's grey here. I want to make this tip. Oh, that's too much yellow. I don't like that. It's a very strong yellow ochre color I've got there. I want to make that tip there white, and I want to start bringing in a little bit of white here as well. It's also always got this little bit of flimsy feathers here at the base. I want a little bit more of a shadowy casted shadow here. We just quickly get a little bit of burnt umber. I don't want to make it too dark, so I'm just going to quickly put myself a shadow in there. You can even do this with a sponge. I just want to put in my middle of my feather here. I'm going to take a little bit of white. While it's a little wet, I'm just going to highlight it. I'm going to start with a little bit longer, making this feathers a little bit longer and so on. I just want to grab a little bit of Payne's Grey so I can extend those as well. Just want to put a touch of yellow in there, not too much. I'm going to highlight those a little bit. It always, the feathers always has this little bit of fluffy bits here at the bottom. You can put in a lot of more detail if you like. I don't want to waste too much time. I just want to show you the basics. Otherwise the video is too long. I lost a little bit of my shadow here. I just want to put it back. Almost like a cast shadow. I'm just going to put in a little bit of white highlights here and there. Just touches of highlights with the white. Just a touch of the black here and there, and then I think I'm finished for now. Remember, this is a type of a cast shadow here. I'm just going to put a little bit of my burnt sienna back into my feathers that I've lost a little bit, here on the edges especially. there you go. I think I'm almost finished now. I don't think there's anything left to do now for me anymore. As I said, I don't want the videos to be too long for you to watch, and I want to make it in real time that you can see what I do. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a very easy background, and it's got a lot of textures and stuff going on, and there you go. You can even lighten your background a little bit more if you like. Overall, this gives you a pleasant look, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.